I just did one half of me. Yo, today is very, very special, man. It's a new year. It's a new day. Your boy just turned 26 years young, bro. 26 years young. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. Like, it feels super dope. Feels super honored. I feel super blessed to be right here, man. 26 years old, in front of the channel. Shouts out to all you guys for even tapping in. Hopefully y'all spamming that happy B-Day down below or happy G-Day down below in the comment section. It's greatly appreciated. But yeah, nonetheless, let's go ahead and get today's video, man. Let's get it. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning in to another video. Today we got an unboxing, man. These right here I got from the homie JayTheSneakerGuy. He's had my size and said, yo, go ahead and send them my way. I went ahead and send him the bread. He went ahead and send me that tracking number. And now, here we have it. We about to get right into this unboxing right here. But before we do, man, like I said, it's my birthday. It's my birthday. So y'all at least gotta hit that subscribe button for your boy if you're new, and leave a huge like button on today's video. The likes really help the channel grow, and it helps put us back in the algorithm. And we got some Jordan 1s. I'm about to unbox for you guys that I said, yo, it's something I want to add to the collection. Nobody really feeling the ones right now. So this is my time, the perfect time to build up this Air Jordan 1 collection, get some dope fits out of it, and to add some dope new colorways to the collection. And also, since it's my birthday, I need to put you guys on to the clothing brand UNKWN Collections. If you don't do nothing else, man, go ahead over to the IG and follow my clothing brand IG UNKWN Collections. And if you want to, man, go ahead and shop with your boy. It'd be greatly appreciated. I'm sure you guys a couple of shorts that we do have right now for you this upcoming summer. We got like a month and a half left for the summer. These ship out in like 3 to 5 days. So I'm saying get your pair right now and look fresh for the rest of the summer. All right, guys, we have the black and white paisley joints right here. We have the new logo, the new UNKWN Collections logo right there on the left side. We have the ramen joints, the best selling. Everybody wants them. If you ain't got a pair yet, hey, you're missing out. I don't think I'm gonna restock these anymore. So what I'm saying, go ahead and shop while supplies last. The nice OG ramen shorts. You ain't seen nothing like this before, so go ahead and cop right now on UNKWN Collections. And then to browse through a couple of other shorts we have, we got the Animal Instinct in the orange and black. We have the brown paisley or mocha paisley joints right here. We have the red paisley shorts. And of course, we have the Animal Instinct 1.0s for you guys to purchase right now. Link down below in the description box. It'd be greatly appreciated. And this would be a good present for your boy if you go ahead and cop some merch over on UNKWN Collections, man. All right, so let's get back to the package, man. Like I said, man, shouts out to the homie JayTheSneakerGuy. Like I said, he had my size. And I said, bro, go ahead and send me a pair over. I need them, and I really thought this colorway was super clean. I got another pair of ones coming in from the GOAT app that you guys gotta wait to see. I gotta wait to see the Air Jordan 1. Nobody really feeling them as far as the resale value goes, but I still think they're dropping some dope colorways. Maybe they're dropping too many, but hey, Air Jordan 1's always gonna have a go in my book. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm gonna tag the homie JayTheSneakerGuy's YouTube down below, so you guys go tap in with him. He always got the early heat. He be having shoes before everybody. I be like, damn, bro. But that's definitely a spot you can go to see some early pairs, seeing what they coming for, and to see how to lace some things, because you already know JayTheSneakerGuy gonna swap them laces out. So let's go ahead and get right into this one right here. Not too much talk with this one, and yeah, man. Let's get into it. You guys see the Air Jordan 1 box. You guys already know how it's coming. OG, regular Jordan 1 box. An official size tag reads Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG, black, bleach, coral, and white. And of course, I got these things in a size 9, man. Had to get them in a size 9, and I had to get another pair of lows in the collection. And these right here was turning some heads. A lot of people was having mixed emotions about them. Now you guys are gonna see these live in the flesh, and you guys let me know how you feel about them. And yes sir, we have them. These things is tough, bruh. They got the nice textured reptile-y cracked skin leather all around the toe box, and even leading up to the lacing system of these Jordan 1 lows. Definitely a dope one to add to the collection. These right here are called the bleach coral Air Jordan 1 lows. They have another Air Jordan 1 high similar to this exact colorway right here. Seen a lot of people that did have them actually, you know what I'm saying, do a little comparison with them. But the actual OG high pair that I did release a couple years ago was super limited. I think it was actually like a PE or one of those limited sample pairs that only a couple people got. You already know who the couple peoples were. DJ Khaled, Travis Scott, maybe Fat Joe and some other people, but these right here will do fine just for me. And I always go back and get the low versions of a sneaker that, you know what I'm saying, where the high is going for crazy amounts of money. For example, the Air Jordan 11 Jeters, I got the low top version, not the high top version, because the highs were going for like $10,000. And I got a pair of lows for right around 300 bucks of the Jeter 11 lows. And I'm doing the same with these joints right here. I'm gonna do a quick comparison, a little price comparison with the high version of these and the low tops that we have right here. Bleach Coral Air Jordan 1 lows, super crazy. And I can already see the fits about to go stupid crazy with these right here. That nice bleach coral hit on the back of the sneaker. You have a nice texture suede nubuck vibe on the toe box as well. I can't complain about it, man. I don't know what's going on with the ones lately. I did see that these are going for more than a regular pair of the ones. I know you guys seen yesterday's video. We were talking about some Air Jordan 1s going for under 150. These right here going for around 170, 180 in some sizes. But for me, man, I had to add to the collection. I didn't even wake up on the drop day. When they actually released, I wasn't even up. I was still asleep because I already knew your boy was gonna take a huge L on these right here. But like again, shouts to the homie JayTheSneakerGuy, plugged me in on this size 9 right here. And I already know the fit's about to go crazy with these bleach coral joints right here. Another dope feature with these joints right here, you have an extra set of laces right here in the bleach coral colorway. But I'm interested in seeing what the black is in for, and maybe even some white laces will look super dope in these bleach coral things right here, just because you only get a little white hit on the midsole and the side panel. So I think if you throw a splash of white on the laces, I think that'll go crazy. So I might, you know what I'm saying, test it out, test the waters and see what it's hitting for with the white laces in these bleach coral Air Jordan 1 lows. If you guys did not know, these released along with the bleach coral highs, and those are more of like a haze colorway or gray and black and white colorway. These right here, they put a lot of color in them, but I can just imagine if they did bring out the high version, this colorway right here, I could definitely see, you know what I'm saying, the hype coming back. People being more gravitated towards highs again, because colors like this we do not see a lot. And for them to bring it out in the low is a very bold statement from Jordan in my opinion, because I don't think they're too much worried about the hype going anywhere with the Air Jordan 1s. People are still gonna buy them regardless of what the resale value is. Got a cool little tag right here. I don't know if you guys can make it out or read it. I'm gonna read it for you guys in just a second. So it says, natural crack seen in the upper is normal due to the random crackle ink application. So all that crackly, all that crackle vibe, reptile skin looking joint, I guess they're gonna continue to crack, I guess. I think it looks dope. And I'm pretty sure the more you rock it, the more you're gonna see that chipping away on these Air Jordan 1 lows right here. So yeah guys, that is an unboxing, man. Shout out to the homie JayTheSneakerGuy for plugging me in with a pair of these bleach coral joints. That was super dope. Got your bleach coral Nike Air on the tongue, on the heel, and on the toe box, making this sneaker look very extravagant, making it stand out a lot. You don't see a lot of colorways like this. So again, shouts out to the homie. Let me know down below in the comment section if you added a pair of the bleach coral 1 lows or the highs. Down below in the comment section, very interested in knowing. Like I said, I didn't even wake up for the release, so for me to finally have these and unboxing on my birthday, man, it feels super dope. If you're new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, hit that subscribe button, ring notification bell for your boys to miss out on any other content we drop on the channel. Head over to IG and Twitter. All my links will be down below in the description box, and leave a huge like on today's video, especially if you enjoy content like this. Again, I appreciate all the support. Thanks for tuning in today's video. Happy G-Day to your boy, 26 years young, feeling good, feeling great, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.